Welcome to the Breath of Fire meditation. This breathing technique is great to do before a meditation, during the day when you need a bit of more energy, or when your emotions are heightened. Because this intensified circulation of air brings oxygen to all parts of your body, cleanses the emotions, reduces the mental overload, it leaves you energized and clear. Be gentle with yourself and adjust the intensity of breathing as you feel necessary. Gentle dizziness is normal. Take a deep breath. Slowly breathe in as you open your chest and straighten your spine. Breathe out. Take a deeper breath all the way to the belly button. And breathe out. Now, push the diaphragm and lower belly energetically while breathing out. Push the air through the nose. Count in until 22. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Take in a little bit more. And hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Now, breath of fire for 33 counts. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Take in a little bit more. And hold it for 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Breath of fire for 44 counts. Take a deep breath in. Hold it. Take in a little bit more. And hold for 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Breathe normally. sit for a little bit longer in the position and observe your body, observe what is happening in your head, your chest, your arms, in your legs, in your belly. Can you feel any tingling? Can you feel the clarity perhaps in the mind? Breathe slowly and listen to the music. Just relax. Observe. Be present in the body. Observe your breath as you breathe in and breathe out. Thank you for being here. I wish you a lovely day. Please like and subscribe for weekly videos to Iva Tarle Coaching.